Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change mouse pointer style in Windows 11. So as you can see, this is the default mouse pointer, mostly white with black border. Since Windows XP, first time I'm using Windows XP on my life, the cursor is like this. This is the default by Windows. So maybe you want to change it. No need third party. Windows 11 provide you to change the style, to change the color of your cursor. Click start icon, go to the settings, you can click accessibility, and here we go, mouse pointer and touch. You can click it. The first option is mouse pointer style that you can change. Here this is like preferred, mostly in black with white border, or a like inverted, and this is the custom. So you can custom the color of your a cursor, right? You can choose another color, and this is for the border. Even you can try to use RGB or HSV. So feel free to try to change your mouse pointer style. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, or click the next button below. See you in the next video.